Hi all, welcome to Food for Brain. Content matters. In the previous video, we have seen about super manager, and in this video, we are going to see about a quality which is most important for any individual growth. And even today in the corporate world, this is one quality which has been rated number one. Would you want to know about it? Then without any delay, let's get into it. Topic which is called adaptability, the secret to business and personal growth. Whether you want to grow in your personal life or into the business life, I guess adaptability plays a very, very key and interesting role. Let us understand what is adaptability. So here I would like to start with two stories. One, we have Mr. Dave Coate, the ex-CEO of Honeywell. And on the other side, we have Mr. Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO of Twitter. When Mr. Dave Coate in the year 2002 took the oath of being the CEO of Honeywell, to be very honestly speaking, the organization was under tsunami of troubles. But he only said one statement: when I retire from this organization, all my investors would make profit and my employees would be successful. And believe it or not, friends, in the year 2017, when he retired, and his investors made a profit of 400%, and 93% of his executive employees, was approximately 2,300 plus people across the globe, were declared as millionaires. From a problematic situation to a millionaire situation, he had brought the change. On the other side, in the year 2006, when Mr. Jack Dorsey introduced Twitter to the world with 140 characters, people loved, people tried to pull him, saying that maybe this is not a very effective one. Where there are other social media where people are using, where they can show their photographs with lots of content. But this particular man had a vision where in the year 2013, when the Twitter was listed, in less than 4 hours, he became the billionaire. Now, what does these two things say? On one side, there were some problems. He jumped into it. He sorted it out. On the other side, he created a platform for himself, and he projected the best way to be the to be the best CEO of the world, in fact. So friends, what is adaptability? Everybody know about this particular animal, the chameleon, which changes its color. It's on a positive side, and also there is a negative side to it. But let us take the positive of it, and let us only understand the positivity of being adaptability. So what is adaptability? Being open to any challenge or changing situation, regardless of your background and skills. Now, friends, I hope the two personalities whom I have mentioned, you can very easily connect here. On one side, who was open to challenge, and on the other side, who was changing the situation. And that's what the adaptability all mean. And this adaptability is not just a skill for a day activity, but it is a life process. People who understand it better are the most successful. Hence, even in one of his book, Mr. Robin S. Sharma said, be the CEO of your life. And that's with that particular note, friends, let's understand what all benefits you get when you become more adaptable. When you become more adaptability, the very first and important thing, you will be a future ready person. What else you want? You start thinking for the future. You are in the present, but think for the future and apply your solutions accordingly so that you make the best of yourself. The other side, you know how to do the work-life balance. Today, predominantly the problem with many of the corporate people is they are unable to put a work-life balance accordingly. But when you know how to adapt yourself to a particular situation, and you would be definitely handling your life and the work better. When you know how to handle your life and work better, what else you want? You would be the most successful person, not just in the business life, but also in your personal life. Is that sufficient? No. When you are adaptability, you always have positive vibes within you, positive vibes across, and people whom you get associated, either you make them positive or they will make you positive, because you are always looking to become highly positive guy. So these are all the benefits of being adaptability. But what's happening? Are everybody becoming adaptable? No, that's the challenge. There are many people who are afraid of this adaptability. Why? One, the very important point, there is a fear of failure. The people says that no, in case, what if I fail? What if I fall down? What if something goes wrong? This fear of failure is not allowing them to become adaptable. Let me explain you a very interesting story of the boiling frog. Many people would be knowing the theory of boiling frog. When you put a hot pot of water and put a frog into it, the frog will just immediately jump out of it. But take a cold water, put a frog into it, and start boiling it in a low flame, and the frog happily starts swimming into that water. And as the water gets warmer, it also feels very happy and comfortable in it. But at some point of time, when the water starts boiling, it would not be in a position to jump out of it, and it die naturally. So friends, never ever put yourself into so comfortable situation. Come out of that comfortable situation. When you are out of that situation, you will be the most successful person. And today people are not ready for that particular change. Why? Because they are too busy in their work. Even when there are ideas which is coming out, even when there is a support system which is coming out, but people are too busy in focusing on their own work and not ready to go out of it again. Why? Because they are glued with their strong habits. The habits which is not allowing them, the existing habits, the existing education, maybe their background, their knowledge, their skills are not allowing them to go ahead, to think ahead in their life, and that's where they are going out. So how do we come out of it? How can a person develop the quality called adaptability within self? Let me take you through 5 important points of how you can develop the adaptability skills. The first one, bring out the genie. Free the genie. It is nothing but put your creative brain ahead. Start thinking creatively in every situation. Even for a small project that you want to do, put your creative hat. Always keep thinking that, yes, if everybody is thinking on one side, you start thinking on the creative side, which will definitely give you an advantage of being yourself in the next responsibility or the next role of yourself. Always do the smart thinking, never do the overthinking. If you want to develop adaptability, people think that they need to do a lot of thinking about it by giving so much of pressure to your brain. Stop that. Stop overthinking. Start the smart thinking. And that's where I said, free the genie. When you free the genie, which is nothing but when you free your mind, automatically you have that smart thinking, and you can start giving creative solutions to the existing problems. And that's where you will be more successful. But how do I do a smart thinking? Always be on the mission. When you are on the mission, when you are on the job, when you are on the work, when you live in the present, you are definitely, you know how to convert any sort of situation, any sort of problem, any sort of maybe a concept or a project. You can make it successful. And that's why we always say that be on the mission, and that's where you get the most successful person. And it is not only sufficient to be on the mission, but you need to work that extra. If you can go that extra mile, if you take that extra responsibility, if you can be a peon for yourself, if you can be a CEO for yourself, now both are extremely, it doesn't mean that you get always things work from others. You need to know how to take that additional responsibility so that you can be very successful in your life. But friends, if you want to grow in your career, if you want to grow in your personal life, remember always one statement, which is key: keep educating yourself. The more you educate yourself, the more knowledge you have about the product or the projects that you are working or selling, and definitely that's the place where you have that extra mile to go ahead. Hence friends, don't have the fear of failure. Don't get into the theory of boiling frog. Don't be too busy with your existing work where You forget what's happening around the world and don't fit with your strong habits. Just free the mind and start smart thinking. Be on the mission and walk that extra mile and keep educating yourself. And that's where you will be the most successful person. And that's where you will become adaptability. And that's where you be the future ready person. Thank you so much, friends. With this adaptability quality, I guess you will be one of the most prominent and the successful person in your corporate and in your personal career. Wish you all the very best. See you soon in another interesting video. Thank you.